Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix your rear AC transistor not working on a 2007 Honda Pilot in New York. A lot of you guys don't have nowhere to work on your car. I mean, not everyone. I mean, I don't. So I'm on the side of a highway right now, but it's fine. As you can tell, my rear AC is working fine now. It's a little dirty, but it's fine. It's working fine. I'm gonna show you guys how I fixed it. So I went on Amazon, I looked up a rear AC transistor. Found out that was the issue because I looked up videos on YouTube with my with my car name. And I found out that little thing right there, the brown one, that's the issue. So I pried this off. Obviously it's a part over here, just pry it off starting from here. Just pull it off slowly, don't mind the dirt. And then I used pliers to pull it out, because in the video I saw he used it bare hands, but I'm not that strong, or it just didn't work. So I just used pliers. I grabbed them like that, grab the actual, well, first you have to take this part off, disconnect your battery too, you don't want any code showing over your dashboard. And then I twisted this with the pliers, brought it out, and that was it. Voila. Should be simple. Any questions, contact me in the comments. Bye guys.